Hi, Joe from Miniature Landscape Hobbies here, and am I ever excited? Look at this, the new Battle of the Bulge 3rd edition starter set. This was sent over to us by my friends at Warlord Games. Usually they send us stuff over for Napoleonics, and truth be told, in this box we got some Napoleonics too, but I thought you guys would love to see the contents of this new box. Now, this has been out for a couple weeks, but this is new to me, and since I'm usually a 15mm or 1/100 scale wargamer, this 28mm stuff, this is all new to me, and boy, am I ever excited. So let's take a look. This box looks like it's just bursting with stuff. The rulebook, a scenario book, hard plastic U.S. infantry, 24 of them, 18 Fallschirmjäger, an M8 Greyhound, or you might make an M20 out of it, transfers, markers, and all the other goodies that go with the game. Boy, that's cool. I am completely new to bolt action. I know it's really, really popular, but to me, I haven't taken the plunge to move out of 15mm World War II yet, but I guess this is where we start. And then on the sides, we have the troops. There's the German side, and we can see these are Fallschirmjäger, so they're paratroops. So they're actually Air Force, and not here, not Army, and not SS. So you see they've got the blue outfits on some of them, and then of course the US on the other side in their winter outfits. Now I have to make a confession, I am not a huge fan of painting winter terrain and models, but I guess I'm going to have to make the plunge here, so no time like the present to learn, I guess. Alright, let's see what we got in here. First up, I would say that's the rulebook. The 3rd edition rulebook. I gotta say, that is not a winky book. Boy, there's a lot of information in there. I guess it's a pretty comprehensive system, and it looks like it's got army lists in here. I don't know much about how bolt action works yet, so I guess I'll be learning. Okay, that's cool. A dice bag. I know drawing dice is a major part of the system, so I guess that's a nice little addition. A Battle of the Bulge book. I guess that's assemblies and scenario information. Very cool. Oh yeah, there's the scenarios there to go with it. And here is the information. I guess that's a weapons card for the Greyhound. Yes, for the vehicle. Big reference card. That's pretty normal for Warlord stuff. They included something like that with black powder. The building. So the set comes with its own terrain, so that's pretty neat. Markers, those are cool, sort of a clear red plastic. Since I don't know the game yet, I'm not really sure what the markers are for, but they certainly look like an interesting part. The vehicle. Now I am looking forward to painting 28mm scale vehicles because I'm used to painting 1/100, and I think I could probably put some pretty good embellishments on this. I would say that was fire for vehicle markers. That, you know, that's really comprehensive to include that in the box. That's a nice addition. Dice and the orders dice. Again, I know that drawing orders dice has something to do with how the game works. I don't know what it is yet. Thank you to Alexandra for packing it, though. And I'll when I know more, I'll be back with more details. But here is what we're all after, I think. The plastics. This is the Fallschirmjäger, and boy, it looks like there's a lot of options on there. Panzerfaust, Kar 98s, a captured Sten, STG-44s, SG-42, FG-42s, miscellaneous other equipment. Boy, that's going to be fun, and you're going to be able to prepare quite a unique variety from this. That should be good. Americans. Again, oh, there's a bazooka, pistol, so you should be able to make a broad variety. There's a grease gun, a Thompson, there's a 1908 for a sniper, I guess. Yeah, for a sniper, and M1 Garands. Oh, there's a BAR over here. So that is a lot of variety. I'm assuming there's pretty specific rules about how you equip your soldiers. And just some more. Lots of faces and details. And even more of the same thing. So it looks like these are virtually all the same sprue, at least for the Americans. Yes. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. So there's 4 sprues of Americans, all identical, but with plenty of variety on there. And, yes, the German sprues are identical, too. And then, oh, I didn't see these on the first pass. Round bases. So they have their own bases. That's good. I don't have to, like, with a lot of Napoleonics, you have to provide your own bases. Looks like Bolt Action provides plenty of bases for you to work with, or its own unique size of bases to work with. So that's just a quick rundown. Oh, inside are also the tokens. Sorry, forgot that. Tokens for the game. And again, I'm completely new to this, so I will have to do some reading and come back to it. But I gotta tell you, I've never been so excited to start a new game. And my friends at Warlord have made this possible by sending this over. And boy, does it ever look cool. So, now we have to see if it all fits back in the box. Guess what? It rarely does. I think any new starter set worth its salt should be almost impossible to fit the miniatures and what it comes with back in the box, right? That's a definite must. All right, let's see if we can do it. It's getting pretty tight. Oh, we did it. That's a first. But don't worry, Warlord. I won't hold it against you. That fit quite neatly. And honestly, this isn't going to be on my shelf for very long before I tear into it and get building and painting. So, everybody, keep an eye peeled. We will get into some new bolt action content in the upcoming days. And, of course, we're going to feature all of Warlord's Napoleonics, this cool new terrain. Maybe we'll do a fancy build for that. And of course, we will cover all of our regular unboxings, game reviews, and model building and painting content. So, I hope to see you next week when we get down to business on some more miniatures. Until then, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And most importantly, please remember to keep building life in miniature.